Hey everyone, in the EDAP 690 class, this is a preview of Wednesday night's class where we will launch into Module 3 and start looking at the Mayer Multimedia Learning book. We're going to do this through a process called distributive learning. Basically what we're going to do is each of us is going to take a chapter of the book where he talks about his principles, and we are going to create our understanding for the rest of us using a tool called a VoiceThread. VoiceThread, those of you who've had classes with me before now know that I'm going to go into my love affair with VoiceThread. I just love VoiceThread. I don't know of any web tool product that does more than VoiceThread. And so we will spend the first part of the class. I'm going to do a stand and deliver PowerPoint on the meaning of multimedia. A lot of it is taken from Mayer, but it will not cover the principles. I'm just going to go over the high points of Mayer. And then what we will do is I will have a sign up ready for you. You do not need to make a decision Wednesday night unless you want to. But what we'll do is I will also have ready for you your login and password to use VoiceThread. Now, I've already noticed that some of you, when I've gone back into VoiceThread to set up accounts, it is already telling me that you have a login and a password, which is obvious. You've had classes before where we've used VoiceThread. So what I'm going to have to do is we're going to have to, if you remember what it is, fine, you can log right in and use it. If not, I'll have to go in and change your password. No, not a big deal. But I'll spend the rest of the evening, because it won't take me too long to go through the PowerPoint, but I'll spend the rest of the evening in VoiceThread 1, 2, 3, how it works. One of the things that I just dearly love about VoiceThread is you can put just about anything into a VoiceThread. You can put in video, you can put in Word docs, you can put in PowerPoints, you can put in things you've created in other apps. It's a very full-featured program, and it's easy to use. The thing that I like the best about VoiceThread is it is your voice we will hear. So no complaints about I hate hearing my voice. You're a teacher. It's one of your tools. I have something else I want to share with you. I would like to make an offer and/or a deal with you. So I'm going to let you see this. We will be having something called the Robo Rumble on February 20th over at Ramsey Middle School. I am looking for volunteers to help me judge the RCX competition. Let me explain to you what this means. RCX is a type of robot that is built using Legos. The commercial version of this is called NXT. Forget all the alphabet soup. What it basically means is kids are given a challenge where they then have to program their little robot to do these challenges. I am looking for some judges to help me watch their competition and judge how well they do this challenge. It's as simple as that. We have a great time. The only thing is, it is a day that I have to take away from you, which is February 20th, and that is a Saturday. We will train you. I will be sending those. I've already had one training. We will have another training where we will look at the various challenges that the kids have to do. To describe it to you, it's a 4x8 piece of plywood with a mat on it that represents the different things they have to do. The kids are aware of what the challenges are. It's not like they're going to come in and we have to explain it to them. They know what they're doing. All we do as judges is we stand there and we score how well they do on the challenges. So here's the deal. Since I'm asking you to give me a Saturday to participate and help me in this, I will allow you to pick one of the modules in our class after this module to basically not have to do it. So if we look at the VoiceThread, after that we start in with our digital storytelling and all the different things we're going to do. I'm going to basically say to you that if you come help me on February 20th with this, I will let you pick which one of the modules that you do not have to do. And that way I give you back the Saturday that I've taken away from you. Meaning you don't have to come to class that night either. You can just basically say, skip it. And in your live text, we'll just write in there Robo Rumble and whatever the points were for that particular module, I'll just give it to you. So I really would. Some of you are so into technology, and I cannot tell you how much fun this is. It really is an interesting day to watch how kids come together to take on these different challenges. I'll show you Wednesday night the site where it all is if you want to see it and to get a kind of head start on how it works. So Wednesday night we will start seriously getting into the meat of our book, which is Mayor's Multimedia. And I will give you a username and password for you to get into VoiceThread that night so you can start seeing how it works. I, again, will tell you that if you want to use VoiceThread with your students, you just have to talk to me. Okay, I hope you'll take me up on this offer, frankly, because the people who told me earlier who are instructors in our college are kind of dropping out. And I think I'd have more fun with you anyway. Alrighty, I'll see you Wednesday night. Bye.